Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into ClickFunnels, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in www.clickfunnels.com and press enter. Once the page loads, look for the login button at the top right corner. Click on the login button. You will be redirected to the login page. Here, you will see two fields for your credentials. In the first field, enter your registered email address. In the second field, input your password. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link below the password field. Follow the instructions provided to reset your password if necessary. Once you have entered your email and password, take a moment to double-check for any typos. When you're ready, click the Login button to proceed. If your credentials are correct, you will be taken to your ClickFunnels dashboard. If your login attempt fails, a message will appear indicating the error. In this case, review your entered information and try logging in again. If issues persist, consider using the password reset feature mentioned earlier. Congratulations on logging into ClickFunnels successfully. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.